I can remember when there was just 6 of us in a small shop. And back then, everything was cut by hand.
The key to it all the time is teamwork. You know, if everybody's working together to get it done, then that's what makes it happen.
The company has grown exponentially since I started 10 years ago. It's nice to see this company grow as fast as it did.
The fact that we're still manufacturing here in the United States makes you feel good.
We make sure we load it correctly, safely, with the best product possible on the truck.